I have a topic that will make you smile properly. I want to talk to you about the top 7 dental insurance companies for braces. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk about dental insurance, specifically for braces. According to the American Association of Orthodontists, nearly 4 million children undergo orthodontic treatment in the United States each year. And the thing is, it's not just kids, really. 1/3 of all orthodontic patients are adults, and braces can cost about $6,000 or even more for complex needs. And dental insurance, specifically orthodontics coverage, can offset the high cost of orthodontic treatment for families or individuals. So we actually reviewed some of the top orthodontic insurance providers to come up with this list of the best dental insurance for braces based on things like coverage, limits, waiting periods, cost, and more. What is it really? When we talk about dental insurance for braces, what is it? It is also called orthodontic insurance, and this is a type of insurance specific to orthodontic treatment, and that includes braces, retainers, and other procedures designed to fix the alignment of your teeth and jaw. And orthodontic insurance is not usually a standalone product. Instead, orthodontics may be included in dental insurance or covered by a dental discount plan. And many dental insurance policies do not include any coverage of orthodontics, so you may need an additional policy, discount plan, or rider to get help paying for orthodontic treatment. And so basically, the dental insurance for braces typically includes discounts and some level of coverage for treatment, including exams, imaging, braces, retainers, etc. So just because you have orthodontic insurance, however, doesn't mean your braces will be free. And there are things that are excluded from this type of insurance. So when orthodontics is included in dental plans, strict limits typically apply. And orthodontic insurance generally has lifetime limits that fall far short of the total cost of coverage. So even with a quality dental policy in place that includes coverage for orthodontics, you may still have to pay thousands of dollars out of pocket for braces and similar treatments. And so is paying for dental insurance for braces worth it? You bet it is worth it. Because according to Oral-B, for example, the cost of braces can vary based on the type of treatment and length of treatment required. So you have metal braces that range from $3,000 to $7,000, ceramic braces $4,000 to $8,000, lingual braces $8,000 to $10,000, and Invisalign $4,000 to $7,400. So let me first talk to you now about the rankings. Number 7, we have here USA Dental Insurance. Our score 8.5 over 10. USAA insurance is dental insurance is great for military families, and obviously USAA has a strong reputation for customer service when it comes to dental insurance for military families, and it actually boasts a $2,000 lifetime maximum limit for orthodontic treatment. What are the pros and cons here? The pros: the strong reputation for customer service for the military, You have quality dental insurance policies issued in partnership with Cigna, and up to 2,000 lifetime maximum for orthodontics. The cons: you have the policy not issued or administered directly by USAA. You have a $200 deductible for orthodontic treatment, and it's not available to families without military status. The thing I want to say here is that overall, if you are in the military, USAA is a top-rated bank and insurance company. Whether you are active duty military, you are a veteran, or you have a relative in the military. So like many other insurance products offered by USAA, it scores top marks for customer service with its dental plans. And USA issues dental insurance in partnership, as I said earlier, with Cigna. And the Cigna Security 1500 plan is very similar to the Cigna Dental 1500 plan you can buy directly from Cigna, with some key differences. With the USAA plan, the orthodontic deductible is $150 higher at $200, but you get double the coverage with the 2,000 limit in terms of lifetime limit. All right, so this is something you have to really think about. And while USAA dental insurance requires working with a third-party insurance provider, the policies are great coverage for orthodontics from a reputable and trusted partner. And the cool thing here is that you can actually benefit from other discounts on other products offered by USAA if you're able to lump all your insurance products with them. So this is something you have to think about. Number 6, we have Humana, and our score 8.5 over 10. This is best for no waiting period for orthodontic discounts. So if you are not in the mood for waiting and you want to get the treatment right now, Humana is great. Discounts for orthodontics are available with most dental plans, and coverage starts immediately. There are no waiting periods. What are the pros and cons here? The pros: you have multiple plans with various price points with orthodontic discounts included. You have extensive coverage available for most traditional dental treatments. And the cons: not all plans include orthodontic discounts, and no direct insurance coverage for orthodontics. And some plans have waiting periods for dental services. One thing you have to know in general is that Humana is a top player in the dental insurance space. They are an insurer based in Louisville, Kentucky, and they have earned an A- financial strength rating from A&M Best. And dental insurance plans from Humana do not generally cover orthodontic treatment, but they do come with discounts for orthodontics. So that's something you have. That's the slight distinction here. And in the plans we actually reviewed, which included the Dental Preventive Plus PPO, the Dental Loyalty Plus PPO, and the Complete Dental PPO, orthodontic coverage was limited to a discount plan. So this is something that you need to know. And payments for orthodontic coverage are specifically excluded. This means that you will not receive insurance payments towards braces or similar treatment, no matter your deductible or annual maximum. And all coverage is in the form of a discount. So when you think about Humana, think in terms of discounts. All right. And we actually we had a sample quote for a family of 4. There were 4 possible dental plans available, 3 of which included orthodontics discounts. So PPO plans that included orthodontic discounts were available for $69, $141, or $150 per month. And this actually depends on the level of coverage that you choose. And because orthodontics coverage under this plan comes at a discount, not a covered service like dental work, deductibles and limits therefore don't apply for orthodontic treatment. Okay, and orthodontic discounts are available right away. This is something you have to be aware of. And all plans have a $35 enrollment fee. Number 5, folks, we have Aflac. Our score 9 over 10, and Aflac is pretty cool for adults, best for adults. And what are the pros and cons here? The pros: dental insurance supplemental coverage can keep costs low compared to traditional dental insurance, and an optional orthodontic insurance rider gives you important orthodontic insurance coverage if you need it. And different orthodontic rider coverage levels can help you actually find the best balance between cost and coverage. Something you need to maintain at the personal level. And in terms of disadvantage, there is no online insurance quotes or public pricing, so you got to contact the company. Dental insurance supplements may not include orthodontic treatments without an additional rider, and you have a 24-month waiting period for orthodontic treatment coverage. So this is a little bit sort of long in our view. So, but one thing you want to understand here is that with Aflac, you have quality. You have a national player, you have a quality, you have lower costs for adult orthodontics coverage in exchange for a longer waiting period. And dental coverage is a health insurance supplement, and orthodontics is covered by a rider, which can keep costs low compared to a traditional dental insurance policy. And an individual orthodontics cost rider was $325 per year in a plan that we reviewed. One thing I want to say in general here is that Aflac, aka American Family Life Assurance Company of Columbus, offers dental insurance supplements with an optional rider for orthodontics. Supplemental coverage really means that it is designed to work alongside another insurance policy, in this case, health insurance. And Aflac and its affiliates all hold an A+ rating from A&M Best. And Aflac is actually accredited with the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating, so they have excellent customer service, excellent interface, excellent user friendliness of their interfaces, excellent policy reimbursement. So that's pretty cool. And because Aflac offers dental insurance as a supplement and orthodontic coverage as a rider, you can actually build a somewhat a la carte insurance policy to meet your specific orthodontic needs. And like with other insurers, monthly cost and coverage may vary by the level of coverage you choose and also where you live. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still reviewing here the top 7 dental insurance companies, and we have number 4, Cigna. Our score, 9/10, and this is best for a low deductible. If you're looking for a low deductible in terms of insurance companies for braces, this is pretty cool. The $50 deductible for orthodontics coverage after a 12-month waiting period is among the lowest reviewed. And the high-level dental insurance plan includes a 50% discount on negotiated treatment cost. What are the pros and cons here? So the pros, we have orthodontics coverage begins after a $50 lifetime deductible, no referral needed, big discounts on in-network orthodontists. And the disadvantages here, you have a low-cost policy, so lower-cost policies do not include orthodontics coverage, maximum $1,000 lifetime coverage for orthodontics, and the only plan with orthodontics coverage has a higher monthly cost. So you got to really sort of know that. And Cigna, I've spoken a little earlier about Cigna when I was referring to USAA dental insurance. Cigna is really a major health and dental insurer that operates in most states, and they hold an A rating from A&M Best. And its health plans earn an average rating for customer satisfaction from J.D. Power, and they actually have 3 different plans. You have the highest level plan, Signal Dental 1500, includes orthodontist coverage. The premium for a family of 4, for example, came out to about $150 per month, and the other 2 plans do not include orthodontic treatment coverage. So it's something you need to know. And one thing that I also want to say here is that orthodontic treatment has a $50 lifetime deductible with a Cigna. I've already said that, but they also have a $1,000 lifetime maximum benefits for both in and out-of-network providers. And this coverage has a 12-month waiting period. So in-network, you pay 50% of the contracted fee. So even after using up the maximum lifetime benefit, you'll still save a lot of money thanks to the lower price of contracted fees compared to a treatment's list price. Something to keep in mind. Number 3, folks, we have dentalplans.com. Our score, 9.5/10. And this is the best place to shop for plans. So low-cost dental discount plans can lower the cost of orthodontic treatment by 20 to 25% and sometimes even 30%. And multiple options are offered for comprehensive dental plans with actually the ability to shop around for multiple discount plans and dental insurance policies with one easy form. So this is actually a platform where you're actually able to have a lot of info from multiple insurance providers. What are the pros and cons here? The pros, you have multiple providers quotes with one easy form. You get access to dental discount plans that cost less than $200 per year for families. And you can compare and contrast plans without leaving the sites. What about the cons? Not all plans listed include orthodontics coverage. Each plan has its own participating providers, which may limit your dentist and orthodontist choices. And the phone customer support has limited hours, particularly on weekends. And one thing you have to just keep in mind is that dentalplans.com is a marketplace. Okay, and shopping around, if you really think about it, is one of the best ways to save money on insurance. And dentalplan.com is a marketplace where you can actually compare and contrast multiple insurance and discount plan providers in one place. And they feature savings plans from top insurers and companies including Aetna, Humana, and Delta Dental. Because it's not really an insurance company in its own right, dentalplans.com don't have financial strength ratings. All right. And one thing we found is that you using a platform such as dental plans and then going to the direct provider of the insurance policy can actually save you anywhere from 15 to 20%. Okay. And according to dentalplans.com, many plans offer orthodontic savings ranging from 20 to 30% of the treatment cost, and coverage can begin in as little as 72 hours with no lifetime cap on coverage. Something you need to remember. Number 2, folks, we have Aetna. Our score 9.5 over 10. This is actually the best price when it comes to insurance company for orthodontics, and they offer deep discounts for orthodontics for less than $10 per month. Fantastic. While not all dental plans include orthodontics coverage, Aetna offers several plans that include orthodontics treatment coverage or discounts such as the DMO program. What are the pros and cons here, folks? The pros. Traditional dental insurance plans may include coverage for orthodontic treatment. Dental discount plans are available for less than $10 per month, and you have a wide availability nationwide and affiliated with a major pharmacy chain, CVS for that matter. And what are the cons here? So below average ratings for customer satisfaction in health insurance division, and you have some direct purchase dental plans do not include orthodontics, and you have the fact that multiple plan types can cause confusion in choosing coverage for orthodontics, which is why you want to contact the customer service before making a decision. And Aetna, we all know Aetna is a major health and dental insurance company that was acquired by CVS in November 2018. And CVS is a nationwide drugstore chain, and they maintain Aetna under their CVS Health subsidiary. And the company holds an A rating from AM Best, signifying a strong financial footing and the ability to pay for customer claims. And what we love here is that with Aetna, you have diversity, you have choices, and their dental plans sometimes include orthodontics coverage. So whether you get a plan from work or on your own, it's important to review your specific orthodontic treatment coverage in addition to regular dental coverage. And current customers can also call the number on their ID card or they can find out about what orthodontic needs are covered by their plans. It's always good to call the customer service, all right? And through Aetna, individuals can buy dental insurance plans or a dental discount card. Number 1, folks, when it comes to the best dental insurance for braces, we have Delta Dental. Our score 10 over 10. In our view, this is the best overall insurance company for braces, And Delta Dental has a wide range of plan choices with varying levels of orthodontic coverage at different price points to meet varying needs and budgets. And there are options for basic orthodontic coverage at a low cost to extremely comprehensive coverage at a higher cost. And it is actually the largest dental coverage provider in the country. And what about the pros and cons? You can choose between discount plans and traditional dental insurance. There is no referral required for orthodontic coverage. Some plans offer coverage with no waiting period, and you have a wide range of plan costs to fit varying budgets. What about the disadvantages here? Not all plans include orthodontic coverage. The best pricing is limited to in-network dentist and orthodontist, and each state or region, operates somewhat independently, so coverage and service may vary by location. But this is still a great proposition when it comes to dental insurance for braces, because Delta Dental is one of the largest and most recognized names in dental coverage. And according to businessinsurance.com, for example, Delta Dental is more than twice the size of the next largest insurer. Think about that. So with Delta Dental Insurance, you can choose between the Delta Care USA Savings Plan or the Delta Dental PPO. And depending on your location, you may be able to sign up for Delta Dental on your state's health insurance exchange or healthcare gov. And whichever plan you sign up for will have at least a portion of your orthodontic treatment covered. That's fantastic. And coverage varies based on your specific plan, but most Delta Care USA plans include pre-orthodontic treatment, planning, x-rays, orthodontic treatment, and retainers. In either case, though, you can work with your orthodontist to get an estimate of the total treatment cost before getting started, including all discounts and coverage from Delta Dental. And this is a great option because the last thing you want is to actually be surprised by the cost. All right, so always call the company and inquire before you actually go ahead with the treatment. All right, folks. This was it for today's conversation. It was a quick convo about the best dental insurance companies for braces. And so here is a recap. Number 1, we have Delta Dental, 10 over 10. Number 2, we have Aetna, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have dentalplans.com, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have Cigna, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Aflac, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have Humana, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have USAA Dental Insurance, 8.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.